this
Hey,
room.
Johnny. What you got here?
This is my house, and this is where my airplane goes. And now we're gonna be the airplane. And then my guy goes. When my guy goes on an airplane, one of the shoots and downhill.
Nice.
And
Are these all your guys here?
yes, but some did not mine. Some did my sister's.
Some of them are Alex's. Let's see.
Sisters.
Oh, there they are. Cool.
Now you make.
Which one's your favorite guy?
I can pick two.
Oh.
The two.
Those two?
I think I like all my guys.
Yeah, they're all pretty cool.
Then this one is my building place.
What's down here underneath the airplane?
This.
Yeah, that.
That is my table. And this is. And like this is our exercising step. We need some things.
Oh. What's that you just pointed to?
My slide.
Oh yeah. What's that thing above the door? What's that?
This.
Yeah, what's that?
That is a spy camera.
A spy camera? Does it see everybody?
Yeah.
Oh, show me how it works. Does it look on the inside or outside?
Look everywhere.
Everywhere? Ooh,
You
cool.
First you do this, then you twist it.
And you have a bridge?
You twist it like that, then see people in trouble in there. And this, and we can see this place, and we come to our house, or this, or we can see like that, and we come to our house, or then we can see down,
Cool.
and we come to our house.
You like your Legos?
Are you missing a leg?
Oh, I'm not missing a leg. Are any of your guys missing legs? Is that their car?
This?
Yeah.
This is my car, and I will show you what my other car is. So I need to drive it. For this guy need to drive it there. Except I need to take his wheels off, Mom.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, I like it a lot. You've done a good job.
I need to put him on here, then fix it. Then he will do. I need to put him, and I will fix that too. I will fix it before.
Okay, I'm gonna turn it off. Goodbye.
Mom, no!
Oh.
I want to show you the car and then show to you. You will drive it.
Oh. Cool
That's
car.
the bombs right there.
The bombs. Of course, every car needs bombs.
And
Cool.
we can run really fast, and this can fly and run really fast. And I will show one my guy like for wheels. This guy.
For reals.
He is a race car.
Oh, he has wheels on him?
Yeah.
Let me see. Cool.
Oh, and I will show you one more thing. A feature. And when you take it off, we just a robot, we racing.
Cool. All right. Looks good.